babalik ka sa zero ngayon, tatlong bagay na gagawin mo.
If I am to back from zero, number one, I look for someone that I could emulate who has both the result and the values that I would want to follow. The second thing na gagawin ko, i-offer ko yung skill set ko ng libre, which is sales in exchange for a commission. Bakit? Kasi yung commission dependent yan sa result ko. The more I build my level of reliability to that person, the more na kumikita ako. Third thing, dahil nakita niya, uy, si Migs reliable yan, pwede ko yung mapagkatiwalaan. He's now starting to see me as a partner. I will now start to scale it up by building a team. If I will simply duplicate that skill set to a group of people in exchange of what I would say percentage share, automatically, pag na-build ko yung grupo na yon, let's say marketing arm of this specific person, before you know it, 18 months to 24 months, it's all back